if you're just getting into CW and you don't have a key, why don't you make yourself a straight key out of a stapler? Let me take this one apart and show you how it's made. Just finished this morning. Tear it all down and I'll talk through putting it back together. This little rubber boot peels off here. This is a knob from a bathroom cabinet. The screw comes through the bottom, so you can adjust the gap here by how far you screw it in. This is a little bit wobbly. I probably should glue or silicone that down or something, but it works pretty well. Drop the screw out. I happen to have, since I used to work in electronics, an 1/8 inch jack. Actually had a package of 2 from Radio Shack. Not even that dusty. So there was already a hole here. I just attached it to the hole. And the entire thing's metal, so one contact, just the what do you call the shaft of the plug, just grounds to this whole assembly. And so there's only one contact to solder. The center contact, the tip, goes through here. This is insulated by just the collar of this I forgot what you call these, little contact. And I soldered that on. I didn't crimp it because I needed this to be nice and round to go through there. Got zip ties to kind of hold it in place, and I have super glued the zip ties on. What else do we have to describe? That's pretty much it. So it all goes back together. Wire tucks in there neatly. See, there's a pretty good gap without the screw in. Put the knob on. Tighten it down until the gap's about where you want. I need a little less gap. A little more gap. That will get the job done. Yeah, let's give it a try here. Okay, that will not do. Okay. That works. Put the rubber boot back on and we're good to go. If you don't have time to wait for Amazon and you've got all these parts laying around, you can get on the air.